Hey, what's up guys? Matt Laidlaw here, coming to you from LA area's oldest, largest, and finest Harley-Davidson dealership, Laidlaw's Harley-Davidson. So I'm here at the 2019 model year dealer show, and I'm going to be taking you guys around and showing you some of the new stuff, talking to you about the new colors. Alright guys, so let's jump into this 2019 CVO Street Glide. This is the first of three colors. It's called Black Forest and Wineberry. Last year in the 2018 model year, Harley-Davidson really stepped up their game on the CVOs, and so I didn't think there was going to be a whole lot of changes in the 19 model year. However, I was wrong. There are some pretty good changes this year. On this, you got the Kahuna collection. It's a brand new collection of accessories, your grips, your floorboards, your brake pedal. They have a brand new infotainment system this year, which is absolutely huge. It's called the 6.5 GTS. They use Gorilla Glass. It's similar to that you'd find like on a cell phone, like an iPhone or something. The software is all new. It's a lot snappier and quicker. I haven't had a whole lot of time to play with it, but from what I've seen, the new infotainment system is awesome. So last year on the CVO Street Glide, they went to a 6-speaker system. That's the same on this year. Nothing's changed there. You can see the floorboards are a brand new style. It's called the Kahuna collection. You can look it up in the parts and accessory catalog. And going back to the stereo system, you got 6 speakers total. You have 3 amps for a total of 900 watts. So this is the best factory stereo system that comes on any Harley-Davidson model out there. You can see the lower forks here, and the exhaust heat shields and mufflers have like this, almost like this light bronzed anodized look to them. It's a finish that we did see on one of the Street Glide CVOs last year. I think it's pretty awesome. So 2 of the 3 Street Glides have an all blacked out cosmetics look to them. Black forks, black handlebars, all the engine casing covers and everything, floorboards are all blacked out. This is the one model of the 3 that has all chromed out cosmetics. This is called the Charred Steel and Lightning Silver. So as you can see, this also has the Kahuna collection on it. The floorboards, brake pedal, your hand grips is a chrome version of the Kahuna collection, the brand new collection that just came out. Here's a shot of the rear fascia. This has been pretty much the same now for several years. Extended saddlebags. You got the LED light strips between the rear fender and the saddlebag for that real flush look in the tail end. You got the nice painted on Harley-Davidson there at the bottom of the stretch saddlebags. You can see you've got a black and chrome contrast wheel on this. This is a Talon wheel. You've got a 19-inch wheel in the front and 18-inch wheel in the rear. The Road Glide CVO has a 21-inch, guys. This has a 19-inch. That's kind of a big difference between this and the Road Glide. Here's a shot of the heated hand grips. They are heated, FYI. And there's another shot of the stage 2 boom audio speakers and your new infotainment system as well. I really like this color. It's real nice. I kind of prefer the black cosmetics. You've got the lower rocker box covers there that are orange. They started that last year. The medallion on the side of the tank, they started that last year as well. So this is the third of the 3 colors. This is called Black Forest. So this is the exact same color as the first one without that 2-tone of the Wineberry. So it's a solid black forest. Here's a shot of the front forks. They're black instead of that bronze anodized finish on the first one. You got LED headlamp, LED turn signals on this bike. You got a 7-inch wind splitter windshield, color matched inner fairing, and that little vent piece that goes on the front of the fairing as well. Black Kahuna collection on everything. The seat is a little bit different. You've got this cross stitch, cross hatch pattern on the seat. The other ones are more of a plain style to them. So you have kind of that Argyle type cross stitch on the seat on this one. Here's a shot of the inner fairing, all color matched of course. and you can see it's a 117. I don't even think I mentioned that yet. 117 cubic inch. This is the biggest engine that comes from the factory. You can see the mufflers and the heat shields are all blacked out, as opposed to the first bike I showed you. It's like that light bronze anodized color on it. So 117 cubic inch. They started that last year in the 18 model year. Before that, in the 17 model year, they were still a 114. So this is the second year of the 117 cubic inch. So all the little details on this bike are all blacked out. You can see little hints of orange on the horn cover and the lower rocker box covers, like I mentioned already. So I'm gonna go back to the first color. This was my personal pick as far as my favorite. I really like this Black Forest and Wineberry two-tone. I like that bronze finish they have on the exhaust system and the front forks. And so let me know in the comments, guys, which of the three is your favorite color. I'm going to be ordering these bikes soon, so I want to get a good idea, especially my customers. I want to get a good idea of what you want, what you'd like to see at Laidlaw's Harley-Davidson, and I will do my ordering accordingly. A couple other notable things that you don't see in this video, guys. The CVOs come with a really cool key. It has a remote lock for your saddlebags, so you can press a button and your saddlebags will just lock. It's like this cool little flip out key. You also get a full bike cover with this motorcycle. You get saddlebag liners as well. You also get one of the headsets, the wireless headsets. So this bike has the wireless headset interface module as well. So you can use all your communication stuff all wirelessly, like make your phone calls and get your navigation instructions all wirelessly. I did a little bit of research, guys. I wanted to see if this new infotainment system still required a wireless headset interface module on the non-CVOs. And as far as I can see, it still does. So like if you buy like a Street Glide Special, a non-CVO, you still need to buy the WIM, the wireless headset interface module, if you want to use the wireless headsets. If any of you are interested in getting one of these bikes in the Southern California area, please hit me up. If you want to get one from your local dealer, hit them up very, very soon. At least at our dealership, all of these bikes were all pre-sold before they ever hit the floor. So if you want to get a CVO this year, Harley-Davidson really cut their CVO production last year, and it looks like it's the same this year as well. So if you want to get a CVO, any of the models, call your local dealer and put a deposit down, because these bikes will pre-sell. And if you live in Southern California and you want to get it from me, please hit me up, contact me via Instagram or call the dealership and leave us a deposit on one of these so we can put your name on one and you're guaranteed one of them for the 2019 model year. If you enjoyed the video, guys, give me a thumbs up on there. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I release a lot of content regularly on Harley-Davidson and everything that has to do with Harley-Davidson. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care.